Hello and welcome. Today, we're making powerful anti-aging face masks using one amazing ingredient, grapes. They are rich in resveratrol, a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce wrinkles, brighten skin, and fight aging signs. If you love natural beauty, don't forget to subscribe. It means a lot. Let's get started. First recipe. Mash 5 fresh grapes. They're packed with resveratrol to protect and renew your skin. Add 1 teaspoon of yogurt. It soothes and exfoliates gently. This mask brightens dull skin and reduces fine lines. Apply it to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then with cool water. Use 2 to 3 times a week for glowing results. Second recipe. Mash 5 grapes again. Same antioxidant magic. Add half a teaspoon of honey. It hydrates and locks in moisture. This combination deeply nourishes and firms the skin. Apply to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm, then cool water. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Friends, write in the comments, what city are you watching from? I'd love to know. Third recipe. Mash 5 grapes, antioxidant rich and skin loving. Add half a teaspoon of oat flour. It calms and softens the skin. This mask is perfect for sensitive or irritated skin. Apply to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm and then cool water. Repeat 2 to 3 times weekly. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and share it with your friends. Fourth recipe. Mash 5 grapes. Still amazing for skin rejuvenation. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil. It deeply nourishes and smooths the skin. This mask is great for dry or mature skin. Apply it generously to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm and then cool water. Use 2 to 3 times a week. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button so you never miss a natural beauty tip. Fifth recipe. Mash 5 grapes. Resveratrol supports skin renewal. Add 1 teaspoon of aloe vera gel. It hydrates and reduces inflammation. This mask refreshes the skin and helps reduce puffiness. Apply to your face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm and then cool water. Use 2 to 3 times weekly. Sixth recipe: mash 5 grapes, a true anti-aging powerhouse. Add a few drops of vitamin E oil. It helps skin repair and boosts elasticity. This mask helps smooth wrinkles and nourish tired skin. Apply to face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm and cool water. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Seventh recipe: mash 5 grapes, full of antioxidants and glow-boosting nutrients. Add a few drops of lemon juice. It brightens and gently exfoliates. This mask evens out skin tone and gives you a natural glow. Apply to face, neck, décolleté, and hands. Leave for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse first with warm water, then cool. Use 1 to 2 times weekly. Avoid sun exposure right after. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite, depending on your skin's needs. And if you'd like to support the channel, we'll be happy to receive a super thanks for watching and see you in the next video.